Birds are very important in the environment because they keep the systems balanced. They pollinate plants, disperse seeds, scavenge carcasses, and recycle nutrients back into the earth. That is why our project focuses on the nutrition of the birds. This is called the DIY bird feeder. So as you can see in our project, there are two barbecue sticks intercrossed with each other. This is where the birds will stand, and below there is a there this is where they will drink water from, so that they will stay hydrated. And inside the bottle we will be putting bird seeds for the birds, in order for the birds to eat and be healthy and stay healthy. So this project of ours is eco-friendly because, like we said, birds are very important to our environment. So it is also important that we take care of them. And that's basically it. Thank you.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the park.